Slippers, guys. Bili tayo ng slippers. Ayan. And this is for Daddy. It's the same as what he had before, but there's a good shoes. Good shoes that because he wears it. And then, look, see, he got another one. And this is a good buy. Lucky he got this because it's only 39 pesos. This one, so good backup shoes at any day. And then I got this one, guys, for clips.
Technically, yeah.
That one. So we got those. And then we bought this one, guys, for the what you call, Daddy? What do we need for the stereos? We bought 4 because we got 4 stereos. And this is the charger. So we will try it if it's working. Yan, guys. Of course, bumili kami ng bread from Bongbong. Ayan, guys. And then, of course, bumili kami ng ano ito. This one, guys. Bumili ako ng yema. Ito ang spare niya na chicken. Kumain kami sa KFC. Tapos bumili siya ng Hey, Dad. Here. Did you want this? The plug. I got a plug here. And then he got this shoe. Daddy wants to buy that one. And the sakto size from Bongbong. Sakto pa. And also, guys, nadunot lang. Ito yung pork asado. Siupaw, 2. Yan, may isa dyan. So, we have 2 here. Yan. Yun na, ang pinamili namin.
Di okay lang man na siya ta. Ang balala ari ko naga hindi ari ko na to nang sa chef plan. Kami diyo. Manago batian niya na ta.
Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday Data.
So guys, good afternoon. Mag-ano lang tayo. Uy, good evening na, totoo yan. It's very true. Ito na guys yung remaining ng plate natin na may leche flan at saka fruit salad. Hindi nyo na nakita. Si Daddy nagre-relax. Ayan siya. Hi, Daddy Mozzie.
Hello.
Hello. Eh, nanonood siya guys. Because Hindi kami naglalaro, so we just watched it on TV. And they can lose all their money and we just happy. We don't lose anything. Yan guys. Yan ang aliw-aliwan namin, manunod kami ng TV dyan. But anyway, afternoon, evening na tayo, alas 6. Oh, alas 7 na nga eh. Miss Jo na siguro, papunta na. So ito ay hugasan lang natin. And then this one, and then yun, mga pagkain na Yun guys. And then today, napakita ko sa inyo, bumili ako ng mga ganito. So I will try one actually. Sa baba. We will try. Huh? Oh, it's charging. So we'll try this in the store. At saka i-visit ko na rin kayo sa sari-sari store natin. Mag-update tayo doon, okay? Panyapon ka na, May? Gapanyapon sila? Ay, may. Ga-vlog ako. Ga-vlog ako. Nakatwalya ka. Rinalam ko ng
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.